In this video, we are going to add another monitor into our computer or laptop. Let's see how we can do it. Okay, at first you will need your laptop or your computer and another second monitor. I'm using an old CRT monitor to tell you this tutorial. Okay, at first you need to plug in the VGA or the HDMI import. I mean, you need to plug in the import of your monitor into your computer or laptop. This Dell laptop supports VGA, HDMI and a single display port, so I use the VGA, and VGA is connected into this old CRT monitor. These kind of old monitors they are just having this VGA cable and it is inside of that. You cannot change it. I just plug that in and turn this monitor on, and this is my main monitor. Right now we are going to do the settings, so I jump to the laptop screen to tell you the other tutorial. Right now you will see two monitors, and because it is connected, to set it and do the other kind of things you need to right click and go to the display settings. Okay, right now display settings open for me, and this is my main, which is my laptop display, or I mean monitor, and this is the another monitor that I connected into it. In here you can choose the brightness and the color for your laptop, and if you want to choose it for your second display you can do it in here. Okay, in here if you want you can enable night, light and disable it, and in here this is the important part that we have. Okay, the first monitor scale is 100% and is the recommended one, and this is the resolution of my laptop screen. Okay, this one is the best for itself, so we need to go to the second monitor because we are going to set up this monitor for ourselves. Okay, again it is the recommended one, and the display resolution needs to be on the recommended one. Orientation, if you want to use it on portrait or landscape you can set it. If you don't like it you can press as soon and the revert, and it's not going to be added. In here you'll see multiple displays. In here you'll see extend these displays. What does it mean? If I set it as show only on one, it's just going to set it, or I mean show it as one screen. I mean the second screen is not going to be usable. I don't like it, so I press on the revert. If you press show only on one, it means that your monitor screen is going to just show the display. If you set it as show only on two, the laptop screen is going to be turned off and you will see the screen only on your monitor. When you set it as extend, if you for example open a tab in here, you can open another tab on your second monitor and do the other kind of things on your second one. Okay, the recommended position of that is extend, because when you add another monitor you wanted to do other things on your second monitor, not just to see your first monitor again on your second monitor. Okay, this is the extend. If you set it as duplicate this layer, what this means is, for example, good for the shops. Okay, why? For example, if you are doing a Photoshop project, for example your customer send you this photo and you need to print this one. Okay, so the customer needs to see which part of that needs to be printed, needs to be replaced, and this kind of things. You will set it as duplicate display, so everything you can see on the first display the customer can see it on the second monitor, and this is a good option for the shops. Okay, there's a difference between extend and duplicate. This is a full tutorial of it on the Windows 10. Have a nice day. See you on the next video.